Hi, I'm Mark Cullen, coming to you from the Garden Shed. And many of the indoor tropical plants that you've had indoors for the winter are ready now to go outside for the summer. I call this their summer vacation. About 2 weeks after the threat of frost has disappeared from your area, start moving your tropical plants outdoors for just an hour or two during the day and on the north side of the house or under the dappled shade of a shade tree until they've been acclimatized. Then you can move them into the bright sunshine if they are a highlight plant. Your tropical plants will be growing very actively through the summer months, in fact more so than at any other time of year. It's important that you feed and make sure that you use a good quality fertilizer like ProMix, organic-based, multi-purpose garden fertilizer. You mix it with water. It's a concentrate. Make sure that you apply it every 2 to 3 weeks right through the growing season. As you summer your plants outdoors, keep in mind that this is the best time of year to bring them under control and do a little bit of pruning. Use a good sharp pair of hand pruners and make sure that you prune just a little bit more than you might feel comfortable with. What a great way to enhance the outdoor quality of life in your yard and garden. Remember, bring them in nice and early later on before the threat of frost come fall. And have fun.